Alright, in this video I will quickly show you how to make your own template. So for the organza rose, the templates are uncomplicated. I just made it out of the fly. Honestly, you can just draw it yourself and I will show you how. So I gave the measurements. For example, this will be very quick. So the first step will be folding your paper in half. So for the first 3 templates, you can use an 8.5 by 11 or letter size paper. For the largest one, this one, I am advising you to use a 12 by 12 because this won't fit a letter size paper. Basically, I gave you the measurements. Like for example, this is 7.5. So what we're gonna do is divide it by half. So 3.25. So this. And I gave you the height of where it kind of balloons. So for this smallest one, it's 4.5. So let's measure it. Let's just measure this one again. So this is where it will kind of balloon like this point, and the height of this is 7.75 or 7 3/4. And just draw it like this. Do you see it? Let's cut it out. There you have it. You have your template for the first petal of your organza rose. And honestly, it doesn't really matter if there's a bit of a difference, because when you transfer it to your fabric, there's a tendency for it to kind of distort. So when cutting fabric, it's not as solid as if you are cutting paper, just because it kind of moves. So it's the perfectness of your template doesn't really matter, but at least you have your guide. So your template just serves as your guide when it comes to your fabric flowers. So do the same for the rest of the petals, and yeah, you can go back to the main video of our large paper organza flowers.